Hello everyone, welcome back to Millionaires Index. Today we have something really excited for you. As requested in the comments, I'm bringing back a comprehensive A to Z guide in launching your very own supplement brand. There's very minimal risk with the method that I'm about to teach you, and we are going to use an incredible service offered by Supliful. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and stay updated with all our latest content, tips and tricks in order to do well in e-commerce. In the booming supplement industry, starting your own brand has never been easier, especially with services like Supliful. Supliful allows you to white label products, meaning you can sell quantities like a dropshipper, small amounts, without a hefty investment. It's a golden opportunity with virtually no risk involved. If you're just starting on your business journey, this is the easiest way in order to start making a little bit of money with no startup cost. To give you a head start, we've analysed some of the top supplement brands that are using this method and broken down their marketing strategies and website functionalities. Let's take a closer look, but before we give you the marketing strategies you need to sort your brand out, you need to get a logo, website, brand name, content, and start up your social media pages. All those steps might be a bit daunting at the start, but let's go through everything together. I always like starting with the logo. The logo will then allow you to think of a great name. Jump onto leonardo.ai and start generating images until you find something you like. Then you can formulate a name around the image or logo that you've generated. If you're stuck on finding a name, then go to ChatGPT and find some names that you like and make your decision. Don't spend too long on the brand name. It is important that it rolls off the tongue and is very easy to remember. With your website, you need to go to Shopify and register for a 3-month $1 plan. What this means is you pay $1 per month for 3 months. So you're out $3 total for 3 months of selling. This is because it's going to take time for you to get sales for your brand. If it doesn't work after the first 2 weeks, don't give up. Just keep consistent and try to get as many impressions on your social media accounts and sales as possible. You're building a brand, not just a 1-week selling product, easy, quick grab. People will come back and buy from you over and over again if they like the product. There are so many guides on making websites through Shopify. If you want an in-depth one, then leave a comment and I'll get to it. Once your website is up, make sure it's nice and clean. And try to use it to build brand trust. Have testimonials, pictures, as much as you can. For content, you need to order in a bunch of your products with your logo and brand on it, and start filming in the gym or in nature, and make TikToks, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Short form content is the way to go with this. Here are a few tips when making short form content. When you're making your TikToks, try to make the content in the TikTok app. Record directly from the app and edit in the app. So then TikTok knows that the content is exclusive to it and the algorithm will further push it. On Instagram, make reels from trending templates and you'll get tons of views. Then you can branch out and post on other platforms. A little trick with TikTok is you can download videos once you've edited them before you post them. If you're using an original sound, it'll keep it in the video, and then when you go to repost it, it'll have the exact same sound. I took a screenshot of this brand when I was browsing my own personal Instagram. Take a look at it. They paid a fitness theme page in order to post their product, but at the start of the carousel, it was a fitness meme. It got 80k likes, and then the person swipes across. I swiped across to it, so it works. Then they see the supplements, and they think, yeah, I'll buy them. The person probably paid $120 for that post. That's 4 sales. Then they've broken even. Plus 80,000 more people have seen their product. Now you must be wondering, how can you replicate these strategies for your own brand? Supliful and using viral short form content is the way to go. You can easily white label your own products and start selling in small quantities, just like a dropship, except dropshippers cannot have their own brand when they're just starting out. DM pages and ask for rates, and see if it's viable for you to pay them and post your content. You can also then run organic by just posting content on TikTok and Instagram and using strategies in order to go viral. Launching a supplement brand has never been more easy. With the right strategies in place and support using Supliful, you can build a successful business with minimal risk. So why wait? Start your supplement brand today. And you don't even need to use Supliful forever. You can then start to go on and have your own formulations and that sort of stuff. If you want me to go more in depth in that, then let me know. I hope this guide has been helpful to you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on running your e-commerce businesses. Remember, the world of supplements is extremely big. You need to have the abundance mindset when going into this. Start with Supliful and get your content out there. Thank you very much for watching the video and have a good one.